Hello everyone. Today we will learn about helping verbs. They are also called auxiliary verbs and they help the main verb. So let's learn some common helping verbs. Like first one is be verbs. That is am, is, are, was, were, be, been and been. Second one is have verbs. And they are has, have and had. Third one is do verbs. They are do, does and did. Fourth one is modal verbs. And they are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, would. For example, she is reading a book. Here, main verb is reading and is the helping verb of reading. Second example is they have finished their work. And here the main verb is finished and have is the helping verb of finished. Let's take the third example. I will call you tomorrow. Here the main verb is call and will is the helping verb of call.